Today I'd like to show you how to highlight blank cells in the dataset by using a macro. In this dataset, I got lots of blank cells and I'm gonna highlight them. I'm gonna put some interior color in order for me to be able to see them much clearly and be able to identify for some reasons they are left blank by some users. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight them in order for me to be able to do some things about it, like putting in some information or putting additional data. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight them and I'm gonna create the macro, and I'm gonna use the macro to highlight them in the dataset. So I'm gonna open the VBA editor to write the macro. So I'm gonna open it by pressing Alt plus F11. Then I'm gonna insert the module number 1. I'm gonna close these windows in order for me to be able to have a wider screen in the VB editor. So I'm gonna write the macro. I'm gonna name it highlight blank cells. Okay, that would be the name of my macro. Then I'm gonna declare just one variable, and my variable is dataset as range. Then I'm gonna set this dataset, set dataset equals selection, and then dataset dot cells dot specials cells tab, then open parenthesis XL cell type blanks XL XL. I'm gonna find it here. XL. Okay, this one XL cell type blanks, then tab, then I'm gonna close it, then dot. I'm gonna assign a color, so I'm gonna use the interior dot color. So my color would be equals, I'm gonna make it simple, VB green color. Okay, enter. That's it. End sub. Okay, so this VBA code, although this is just a very short code, selects a data range and then uses the special cells. This one, special cells. Okay, method to find all blank cells within that range. It then changes the interior color of these blank cells to green for easy identification. So my idea in this exercise for me to be able to identify all this by using a highlight green to identify and to make it more visible to the eye of the user. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna open the macro dialog box. So I'm gonna press Alt plus F8. Okay, here it is, highlight blank cells, my macro. I'm gonna run it. Okay, there you have it. You have the green color. So the idea of this is for me to be able to see, it will become visible for me and be able to make some changes or be able to put some information or additional information in the data. Some user might have missed this out, so that's why it was left blank, or maybe does not have the information yet, so just the user just leave it blank. Okay, so there's lots of them. Okay, all right, so this is more visible to us for the user, so for the user to be able to put some information in it, or to put some data in it. So that's it for today's exercise. Thank you for watching.